Hello, my friends, my brother and sister. Today I want to come and read for you something in the Bible. Okay, a little bit about this related verse 2. Okay, here is the I want to start and reading about. Okay, here and the Genesis chapter 7. Okay, Genesis chapter 7, verse here 16. Okay, Genesis chapter 7 verse 16 talk about a little bit. I want to read for you here. Okay, my friends, 16 talk about the animal going in were males and females of every living thing as God has commanded Noah. Then the Lord shut him in. Finishes. Okay, the Lord shut him in. Here is the another one is I want to read for you. 21 talk about every living thing that's move on the earth, priests, birds, livers, wild animals, all the creatures that swarm over the earth, and all mankind. Everything done. All right. When the bear did go back at target kai sikolo. Bamlu Kulu Kasajua Mata Wayle ne Pekr Lequara Penit Sepo. Devara Paylo Le Pagdema Tamose Sado Nui Support Sikune Katutara Palo Tagitaklu Pate Sepo. Devara Tala Alene Pani Lenele Amodo Park. Lekayatanya Gladi Jamaluta Atunilo Do Juakatika Akilo. Awadi leno wido kasaywani katikuwe akinelo letano kudaro pakrapatu patana taita klor khai lebatamu pulo kito drone tevra di lo kisita so kisita ne kaye tanya la agela kokla to liu migi sabuko po ademigi sa po ko ami migi kaye ta swala kokla migi kaye paganyo migi thiwe killer every living creatures okay die of them and the no our time okay aware of person was sorry pa thiwe killer pagdera mukapolo muko has suera pagdera mani no letano kura awa thiwe killer kashila muko has su hostara no paydo patero le pane tulu pagdam lisosi tasidop the quisitor yitero power okay Psalm chapter 91 I don't want to read for you like this okay remember my friends my brother and sister but I want to read for you here is the Psalm 17 verse 8 talk about a little bit okay keep me as the apples of your eyes hide me in the shadow of your wing. This is mean that God take care Noah and his family. All right. Letano gura pakratinya la patamu puni. Teva pala paydo hugevera lo manutimile. Pagleko what sepu tamata. Yetero power liso shiba kala. Tasidop the quisitor ni mira daughter senya kutara yetero parva. Yero pala tasidop nui the sinui pagal ero le pata kane no tasidop the sinui ero power the sepu penit sepu tama ataro manutimile ni awe ero siom nitimile tasidop the sinui okay sepu kwane tera di lo Iki kwaki ya di ame puapu atudiki. Lana de si agadu pune pada ya. Leta nukura so you. Pagdano mala so no anokasara weni kasa yua ikwa twe o tume nule kabapune taka tiguera adrenalo. Wani patinya la taita klukane sigara. Paine pero le pad kolo bakala. This is a very strange thing, right? Noah made the boat and okay, only 8 people inside. Okay, I want to read for you about the Psalm 145, verse 20. Talk about a little bit here. The Lord watch over all who love him, but all the wicked he will destroy. Okay, you love the God, right? And then the God love you. Exactly, my friends, my brother and sister. Hi. You should think about carefully in your lifetime. You love the God? Do you think exactly you love the Jesus? Do you think exactly Jesus loves you too? Okay, remember exactly. Talk about like this. The Psalm chapter 145, verse 20 talk about the Lord watches over all who love him, right? The God watching you. Okay, you love God, and then the God take care of you everything. You don't need to worry about so much. Okay, sometimes people worry too much, right? Little good of patu patala taita glow tapita matir pa punilo. Little good of Casajua quatu tobo the bucola David, no? Casaya quatu tobo the bucola. Basanakiro Papa tinya le petau mupuni Casayuan epwa dope ek Casaya sicolo. Hi, my friends, everyone in the world. Thank you so much. Okay, little good of penny, pero le pane tilo tacito petre, degia Lucia sepo, kissini deva padile. You are iki quaki, que ye poile e or color, do kamahawa que ye poat the total but the panelo. Destroy, okay, wicked people, but the total over, error David did it. Little good of Palo Ekasayane Kasaya Qua, Palit Ekasayamani, Kasayua Kamahawa Kuolo. But tell Thidinitulo. Okay, here is another ones I want to read for you about them. Peneki, I got the Tony Pero Lepane Tilo Tupitru. Okay. First Peter chapter 1, verse 5 talk about a little bit here. Who through faith are sealed by God's power until the coming of the salvation that is ready to be revealed in the last time. Okay. Who through faith are sealed, okay, by God's power until the coming of the salvation that is ready to be revealed in the last time. We should think about carefully in our life. Penny, Deputy Sir, so we are David. Thuba tap per thula jua, a sukamole, tanahu, per le ta uki cocky le, a ukatega toata, lurk about talo plato or pay a catur, a circuitolo. Okay, this is the God take care of you. Okay, the God watches you. Here is another thing is Genesis chapter 7 verse 21 talk about. I want to read for you everything, every living thing that move on the earth perish. This is a very bad thing about we feeling something very bad thing, right? Here is I want to read for you Genesis chapter 6 verse 13 and 17. Little bit about this. I want to read for you. Okay, Genesis chapter 6 verse 13 and 17, little bit. I want to read for you. Just a minute. Here is the 13 and 17. 13. So God said to Noah, I am going to put an end to all people, for the earth is filled with violence because of them. I am surely going to destroy both then and the earth. Okay, both destroy both and the earth. Okay, this is the first time we see okay, long times ago happening in the Noah generation time. You know that? Very painful, my friend, because they don't listen to God. Okay, they don't listen to the Noah talking about the right there. Noah said, okay, the rain will be come down. Okay, this is a meaning about the you should prepare by yourself. Okay. 17 talk about a little bit here. I am going to bring flood waters on the earth to destroy all life under the heavens. Every creature that has the breath of life in it. Everything on earth will praise. Okay, very painful, my friends, my brother and sister. Because not listening, very painful. Okay. Okay, violence. The God doesn't want a violence. Okay, my friends and my brother and sister. Okay, we should live in peacefully on the earth. Okay, think about and thank you so much, my friends. Okay, sometimes people subscribe, sometimes people leave. That's okay, no problem about that. Okay, when I read in Bible about it, just let you know about a little bit. Okay, I'm not good in this, but I try the best. Thank you so much, my friends. Okay. Pero pero le pakwa bakala le tomo se asa sarohu asa po te sitar sinu ne te ba pwa de lo. No yo se ba so no ataya khale akte. Pagde ma heto lilo yemanyali agiri hoku le pwe we do ta masu masu le awete aho. Pai ne kwera le violence da ne mira le ta masu masu awe ne kwera no. Ako do kwa Yeka mahawa kwe odo hokulo. Mahawa kwe pangyoro hokulo. No pay do pagata to sinuni tebra do kwa yeda yede he to ye tilabo talo hokukle le akama hawa kwe kaya tanya le a udo tamu atala muku polaro. Kaya ta ulo hokukle kathikwe komidelo. Kaya ta ulo hokukle ni. Awe ketiku komidelo. Leta no kuda pakrapatu patale patau mupu pakrapatu pada. We should think about it. Okay, Jesus talking already about the same thing. One Jesus second time, Jesus come back second time happened the same lies Noah's generation time. Remember, my friends and my brother and sister. Here is the Job. I want to read for you about the Job, little bit about that. Job chapter 22 verse 16 talk about a little bit. They were cried off before their time. Their foundation was away by a flood. Okay. Remember, this is a crying out before their time. This time we know about the people doesn't know the God punishment. Okay, the drinking, eating, marries, everything they do. Okay, they has happiness, but they don't know. Okay, why happen coming next? They don't know this meaning about that. Pray up a Paganyoli the Vani, Tukutaku, Tumita Muta, Mulataku, Sectoni, Paynik to Liuba Sarukiziki, Sabot Sikutera, Palata Mahago or the Tugala, Le Tilleberg, or Pala Aseba Jua. Penny. No, Penny Tilleberg, Pada Duni, Pada Duni. Bagadena Malata Mahago, the Tugala, Sidana Bagadena, but the Thinyama. Immediately, you don't know. Okay, immediately. ta no go ta ta tu ga la ni me ta ko ta khe pha du de mi le pawe na ya tir pha pu lo okay pawe na ya tir pha pu lo okay I want to read for you about the more here's little bit about that ta le ta mu la ta khu ni ba ba ma sa ko lo okay ba ba ma lu a ro ywa glu tha mya okay you know the happiness but you should think about sometime forget it happiness reading more Bibles and then pray to God and then with God will show you the right thing you will be saved my friends and my brother and sister here is the I want to read for you about the Matthew chapter 24 verse 39 talk about little bit okay verse 39 little bit and they knew nothing about that what happened until the flock came and took them all away that is how it will be at the coming of the Son of Man the same thing coming of the Son of Man you know the Son of Man means Jesus Christ Son of God means Jesus Christ okay the same thing Son of Man Son of God okay you know the Son of living God okay the same thing all the thing you should think about what happened they don't know okay they don't know nothing about what happened okay remember my friend and my brother and sister Mutini let taka mata ne what did thing ba tewe dinilo pay do bakte mala le mate asaro kisi lui tera kisi lui tesi queen e ka tuta ra pwala manut mi le pay ne bak e do le ba do te tinya ba tu lo le ti le bota he do su qui o kele tu ni pwa du pwa ka nyo phu kwa I he lo do taka mata dine tu lo the same thing one after Jesus okay Jesus come in happening the same thing okay we don't know okay I don't know too Jesus will come in one day Jesus talk about that I don't know too Jesus himself talking only just my father know okay only just my father know remember my friends and my brother and sister remember only just my father know remember but the thing ya pakita de mala taka ma asala mutini we ni mara ma de thing ya ba kasa isu ke hello we sector sikoni di tu ro sono a asu ni lo pa me te tu do tu ka ba sukomo pe tino phalo ti ta mo pu sikolo Here is the I want to read for you about the Luke chapter 17 little bit about that 17 verse 27 okay verse 27 little bit people were eating drinking marrying and being given as marriage up to the day Noah entered the ark then the flood came and destroyed them all. Destroyed them all. The drinking, eating, marries, okay. Being given and marries, okay. Remember this day. The same thing. Noah entered the ark. Okay. Noah going to the ark. Remember that. That's the same thing. We don't know. We're waiting this time. We can okay pero le kwa le ba ka le luka ko bune ka tu da ro pa le ta ta mi ni lo devra ta si li no le luka se ro si nui se bor si kisi nui ka tu ta ro pa le pa ta mo pu de lo pa ota do ni ma ne wa tu mu ni le so no a le ne le ka bo bu do ti le ba ta he su do ma ha o ku o ka le lo Ota, okay, ne mane wa, do le ne le kabobu. Person wa le ne le kabobu kana pa ne mane wa ota mala ta ku bo te te ma de. Pa te pa ne ha ko ku ke le lo. Le ta no ko ta ro pa ke ta ni pa ba o ta di le de le pa ba ti nya si ko lo. Hey, 2 Peter chapter 3, verse 6 talk about little bit. Okay. 2 Peter chapter 3, verse 6 talk about little bit. By this water also. Okay. Waters chapter 3, verse 6, right? Here. By this water also the war of the time was deluged and destroyed. Okay. Everything happened. My friends, my brother and sister. Remember this time. Okay, remember this time. Finally, back then, I'm gonna keep it to a saddle. Third, a supple. Who ne katuta of body law? La ho, how could la well a top penny? Taluba or let tea the taro. How will well? Taluba tea the taro away how go away. The Laguna ta mahago tala teeny. Metala manitimile. Double a tau collected. Double a tau collected. Remember, my friends, my brother and sister. General Purchin a chow yaga dine pure piame. Okay. No akima solution ludiga taume same piome pame mingla some is sequa. Pero piome suro three boat the tamaga piosimu willy. Pero piome. Kapa chiga. She luamu pila mechi madra pio pava and sun in a shape hidden. Araja no aga di piamasuna. Themora wind dwara came. No other thousand media, themora win a chamber to chaludiga a go say. Arabe. No? Tunga generally, Ara teach us senza. Teach us senza. The net Yesu lama chile dilobe, the Yesu capio. Thank you so much, my friends and my brother and sister. God bless you all. I will see you next time. Okay. But till I get a key one up, but get a mala, patamu, patala taki, pumano, le pata hutaga pune, more pakra patu patala, patamu puneke, ta ota mulata kune suku at sepo, pali do dukanata do. Pagtete mala khibatik patala tuwaniki mutinile kasaya kat 6 to 30 passe kone tikaba ma ala internet ke tablet ma chila talaki bye bye